Okay, a lot has happened since the last time that we spoke, and here it is. So, I got the back of the firebox in. That took a lot of effort. I got the cross flow plate in. Man, it took forever to fit it in here. So I had to cut this to fit it in there, and I'm just gonna weld it back so that I could slide the whole plate in all at once. This is where our smoke and our heat's gonna come around, and then I'm gonna put the chimney right here. It's gonna be epic. Oh, and I put some little side pieces in here so that whenever there's a fire, everything always flows towards the center. And so that it's not going to be just on the bottom, I'm going to build a little grate that you can put in here and like pull out, so when you're sweeping it, you can sweep out all the way to the bottom. I got to finish welding that one. Look at that weld. Okay, so how I did the cross flow plate was I took a piece of cardboard and I made a template. And what I did was I cut as close a shape as I could get, and then I just kept cutting it until it fit in there, like that. And then I drew that on my metal and I cut it out. And that's how you get the right shape without, you want to cut something else first before you cut your metal. So I just used cardboard to make the shape so that I only had to cut this once. So, I've got the base plate all welded in, and I started putting in the grate holders. And it's so hot out here, I think I'm melting. Gotta make sure it's level. Make sure it's the same with the part in the front and the back. Looks pretty good to me. Okay, I think that's enough for this time. It's so hot out here. So I got the cross flow plate in and the bottom little racks that hold the grates. Whew. I will try to get the grates done next time. It's so hot.